Ankle and wrist weights. Don't work out after heavy meal or empty stomach. Different ranges of weight between 500 gram to 5 kg. Purpose of the weight is to add additional resistance for the strengthening and loss weight by burning calories, increase repetition for the effective results. Muscle toning. Gradually increase weights according to patient condition. Wrist weights for upper limb mobility, stretching and strengthening exercises. Stop workout if you feel that pain is worsening or any discomfort. Ankle weights for lower limb strengthening, stretching and mobility. And weight bearing. Wrist weights for upper limb strengthening, stretching and mobility. Wrist flexion, extension, radial and ulnar deviation to improve mobility. Elbow flexion and extension for weight bearing exercises. Shoulder circles, improve weight bearing, improve blood circulation, good for bones, improve mobility, increase strength and stretching. Shoulder flexion, extension, abduction and adduction exercises to improve the mobility of the shoulder joint. And weight bearing and muscle toning due to the wrist weights. Internal and external rotation of the shoulder joint to improve range of motion of the shoulder joint. Shadow boxings to improve mobility. Endurance. Higher the repetitions and light to moderate intensity to improve muscle strength and for fitness training. Ankle weights for lower limb stretching, strengthening, weight bearing, mobility. Seated leg extension, seated knee tucks or hip flexion, dorsiflexion of the foot, heel raise up, donkey kicks to improve weight bearing, stretching of lower limb muscles, abduction. Chair can be used for the stability. Flexion and extension movements. Circumduction, circular movement of the foot. Quadriceps stretch for elongation of the shortened muscle. Hip strengthening, straight leg raising with ankle weights. Clamshell exercise, 45-degree side raise of the leg. Prone position and leg raise to improve the muscles of the lower limb. Quadriceps stretch in prone position. Half arc quads, reduce tightness and the stiffness, induce relaxation of the muscles, ankle pumps to improve circulation. Aerobic exercises, cycling for cardiovascular strengthening and weight bearing. Leg raise while slight knee flexion. High knees marching to improve weight bearing. Uniplanar rocker balance board, forward and backward movements.